Hello there, welcome back to our channel, and today I'll be teaching you compass directions in Shona. So let's get started. So as you know, the compass has four main directions, which is north, south, east and west. So let's start with north. North in Shona is Maodzanyemba. Maodzanyemba. And we have south, which is in Shona Chamhembe. Chamhembe. And next we have east. And east in Shona is Mabvazuva. Mabvazuva. And the last one is west, which is Madokero. Madokero. So I hope this was helpful, and this brings us to the end of our video. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you very much. Tatenda.